Hi, my name is Hans Kruger. This is my introduction video to AEP 800. I teach health and physical education at Davenport Central High School in Davenport, Iowa. I'm also the strength and conditioning coach. I also coach soccer at Augustana College, which is right across the river in Illinois. I am married with a 6-year-old son, soon to be 6-year-old son, and twins on the way. Gulp. I enjoy sports, coaching, working out, and hanging out with my family. Impact of technology in the classroom. Technology opens opportunities that just wouldn't exist 30 years ago, or it'd be very challenging without the technology that we have today to introduce those things. It also bridges a gap with a lot of students, keeps students engaged. It also allows different instructional strategies to cater to different learning styles. It just adds a lot of diversity to the classroom that makes it easier on students and easier on teachers, but also makes it much more engaging. The use of technology in my classroom. In the health classroom, I use it a little bit more, but I spend most of my day in the weight room with strength and conditioning classes. I try to introduce something new with technology every year. I was very hesitant at first, but then I gained a great appreciation for the benefits and the ease of use. We use Infinite Campus for our grading, attendance, referrals, etc. I've introduced Google Drive quite a bit in the last few years, using Google Classroom. We do a lot of assignments, test tracking. A lot of our templates that I create are in Google Drive and shared through the classroom. Also, we do a lot of self-reflection videos with some movement pattern stuff that the kids do with their phone, or they also all have Chromebooks that they use that for. It's a good critiquing tool that we use. Enhancement of current tech practices. We use a lot of software stuff. I'd like to see more software stuff in the weight room that we can use. But right now we do a lot of strength and conditioning. Program integration, test tracking would be great with some of the software products that are out there. A lot of it we do now. It takes a lot of programming to do it now by ourselves in the Google Sheets. Also, there are some really neat programs with iPads and individual program implementation and strength and conditioning, but that also can be used in the health classroom as well. Impact of funding. Obviously, funding is huge, and it allows us access to software, hardware purchases. Without that funding, it makes it very challenging. There are a lot of free programs out there now. Some are challenging to find. Also, there is a lot of good grants out there that can be used to purchase the software. So funding is a problem. There are a lot of federal grant opportunities that can help with that. The state of Iowa and our district has been pretty good about pushing funds to technology because they understand the benefits that come with a lot of it. So we've been very fortunate. All of our kids do get a Chromebook. So there are some good things with that. We got a lot of classrooms that are smart classrooms. So that helps as well. So thank you.